You know what? You're absolutely right. And I know it makes so many people upset watching my page that I, who, am obviously a black man, identify with my South Asian roots and openly embrace and represent it. But let's talk about this, right? You'd be surprised to find out that a lot of people you think are just standard black Jamaicans actually have some Indian ancestry. And that's just due to the system of indentureship that happened on our island. Now, as to why many of them may not claim it, we live in a society where if you're black, you're not allowed to claim any other thing that's in your ancestry. Because doing so means you're ashamed of your blackness. It means that you're fearful of being seen as black. Well, on the contrary, I can be black and still honor the fact that I have Indian ancestors. Some are told that the Indian is so far back in their ancestry that they shouldn't even try to claim it. But if that's the case, Africa is so far back in our ancestry, why do we identify with Africa? Or Europe? Or anywhere else for that matter? See my point? Anyway, I'm not here to tell any Jamaicans of Indian descent that they need to embrace their Indian heritage, but I will be one to say that there's nothing wrong in doing so. It doesn't mean you're not proud to be black. In fact, it means you're proud of your ancestors and their sacrifices.
Son, I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one.
I'm surprised that a lot of people have never seen somebody who's half black, half Indian. Because if you go to the Caribbean, you will find a lot of people that are half black, half Indian. Try going to Jamaica, try going to Trinidad, the list goes on. My dad's side of the family is from Jamaica, and even I have Indian ancestors. If you live in New York and you live in Queens, you will find a lot of people that are half black, half Indian. This is no surprise to me. I got 2 friends that are Guyanese, honey. They black and Indian, period, okay? Like I said, even I got some Indian in my blood, honey. I don't look it, but I do. I got Indian ancestors, I'm telling you. But nobody seems to believe me. But anyways, deuces.